I've not seen these in red yet. We got some Thyssen elevators. And they're glass. Typical Spanish Thyssen / TK indicator, nothing too interesting there. We're gonna go back up to 9. There's a ThyssenKrupp sticker on the door. Dang. They charge for room service? Oh, I thought that was for like cleaning. I thought, like, shouldn't that just be like a guaranteed thing? There's the other car. Watch out here. Oh, look, we're racing. There it goes. I wonder what those little, like, smaller doors in between the two room doors are. Right there. I wonder. Anyway, we're gonna send this down and then we're gonna watch it go from the outside. Oh, look at that. That's a cool design. There it goes. Look, you can actually see all the way down. That's neat. I didn't even realize that. When I walked in here, at least. Obviously, I realized once the elevator started going up it, but anyway, that will be it.